She is Veda, my dear sister.
Hi, he is Vibhavas, my naughty brother.
Oh, she is taller than me.
No, you're wrong. You should say that she is taller than I.
No, she is taller than me is a correct sentence.
No, taller than I is the correct sentence.
Okay, stop. Do you have the same confusion? He said, she is taller than me is correct. She is saying, she is taller than I is correct. Which one is the correct sentence? I am going to help you with that. Let's go. I or me. Let us see where to use I and where to use me and what are the differences between I and me. Let us see the similarities first. I and me both are singular pronouns. We know what is singular, so they are also pronouns. Pronouns are used in the place of nouns. To avoid repeated usage of noun, we use pronouns. They are used by a person to refer himself or herself. So it is used to refer a person's own self. Both are used for first person. We know what are first person, second person and third person and their singular and plural forms. For your reference, I have given this table. So we are not going deep into this because we already know this. First person is the person who is speaking. I, me, my and mine, they come under singular and plural. I am not going in detail about this table. For your reference, I showed this table to you. Let us see the differences between I and me. I is a subjective pronoun. We know what is subjective pronoun. So subjective pronoun means I is used as a subject. For example, if we take this sentence, I love my mom. I is the subject, doer of the action. We know subject is nothing but doer of the action. So I love my mom. In this, I is the subject and me is an objective pronoun. We know that object is the receiver of the action. Here me is there. For example, my mom loves me. That means me is an object. It is not a subject. So it is receiving. My mom is the subject and me is the object. That is the major difference between I and me. We started our discussion with a question, that is, she is taller than me and she is taller than I. Between these two sentences, which one is right and which one is wrong? So if we observe these two sentences, those two sentences are looking same. Most of the people confuse in using the first sentence in place of second sentence. She is taller than me is wrong usage and she is taller than I is correct usage, because in this there is no difference between subject and object. Just we are comparing who is taller than who. That's why there is no action is present in this. Just a comparison is taking place. She and I should be given equal priority. That is why both subjects are present in this. So she is taller than I is correct usage in the place of she is taller than me. This is the common error made by many speakers in English language. If we go through some more examples, we will understand the difference between I and me. I am a teacher. Here I is used as a singular subject. I is the subject, at the same time it is a singular subject. I shall go to my village to see my parents. That means again I is singular and it is used as the subject. If we go to this sentence, she told me about my profession. Me is used as singular object. She told me. That means the verb told is there, and here receiver is me and doer is she. That is why me is used in place of I. If we go to the next example, my teachers helped me to pass the examination. That means my teachers is the subject and me is the object. So object, that is why we used me, not I here. With this we can say that in every sentence I is used when it is referring to a subject and me is used when it is referring to an object. Let us see some more practice sentences. The first one is, who will be coming along with Tim and Dash? Me fits well because me is the object here. Second one, the old man and Dash were sitting on the park bench. So in this sentence, two subjects are there. One is the old man and the next subject should be I, because me is the object. We are expecting a subject in the given blank. So the answer will be I. Moving to the third one, she really wanted to come camping with my best friend and Dash. So in this already subject is mentioned, she, and expecting best friend and also another person as the object in this. So me will be the answer here. And moving to the fourth question, Vijeta, her friend and Dash all wanted to finish our essays first. That means here three subjects are there. One is Vijeta, one subject, her friend is another subject, and one more subject is required here. So that subject will be I, not me. If we place me, it refers to the object, then our answer will be wrong. And moving to the last sentence, that is, he supported Dash in my difficult times. That means in this subject is already there, he, and expecting object should be me here. So already verb supported is there. After the verb, me should come. So me should be filled in the place of the given blank. This is all for today. Thank you. Vibhavas, did you understand which one is the right sentence?
Yes, I understood. She's taller than I is correct, not she's taller than me.
Very good. Now you understood which one is the right sentence.
Yes, thank you, Dad, for your precious explanation.
It's okay. Did you like this video? Do you want to have this kind of videos in future also? So please
Like,
share.
Subscribe Varma's Knowledge Hub.
don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Bye bye.